Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This week we went ahead and made up some mobile designs here for GGEZ. When I did some user testing on this, the biggest thing that people were saying is they didn't like my logo. Originally, I had a black background here at the top of each page, and with that, then I put a white outline around the logo itself, and then it was also placed a little differently, and that was a main area of concern for what people were concerned about. A couple of other small things were keyboard placements. When I was hitting, for some reason at first, when I was hitting the search button here and the prototyping part of it all, it was popping the keyboard up very high, and so I went ahead and changed that. Another thing that people had some comments and concerns about at first was the menu until I explained it to them. I have a handful of menus here. The main menu is just from when you click in at the home page, because obviously you're not at any of these pages, so they're going to be highlighted. And then through the rest of them, you can see how they're all broken down here. I did a different keyboard. So I did this first keyboard, so when you type in something, you can actually see the field you're typing in. It's just a keyboard like this, and then obviously if you can't see the field, I have it, just where it's a blank spot to where you could type there. I did a couple things. I had some feedback about the box here on the sign up page, so I went ahead and took that out, and I think it actually flows a little better. I did like the fact that I just ended up stretching the background all the way through the whole page. I think it looks, makes it look quite nice. You don't have to worry about, like I said, that black header at the top at first, how I had it. And I think it kind of made it look less organic. In this way, I think it allows it to flow a little better. I also changed up some text here and stuff to, make it seem a little more, I guess, more of a gamer feel. That's what I get off of these texts here, the fonts, excuse me. And then just going through, I have the stats, and pretty much it's just where you click on your profile, and then it's just the same info regurgitated on here, because obviously it's just it's just showing how the site could work or could look. So that's how I have that. We'll go ahead and do a little playthrough here. So here, and then like I said, so we have the menu here. We can click through everything. We have our user profile, our opponent stats. Then you want to type in a profile, you can type their name in there. Then you search it, there they are. You need to set the back row, and then you can type in another one, so on and so forth. Rank breakdown, so this is just a percentage of players. So, of the player base in Overwatch, 7% in bronze, 22 in silver, 34 in gold, so on and so forth. And then I had a social media, so I went ahead and threw a YouTube link. Well, not a link, but it just shows, the page name. So GG_EZ. Same for Twitter, same for Instagram here. I worked a little with went ahead and went with this. I think it looks pretty, I think it looks quite nice, and I like the way this whole page turned out. And then just to contact us, I just went ahead and used Blizzard, just because it is a Blizzard game, but since GGEZ isn't an actual company, I just went ahead and went with this. And then every page, the logo click will bring you home. That search bar there brings you to the login page. You log in, username, password, remember me, log in. If you do login, just expect the home page for now. New user, so you can go ahead and come in here, sign up, do everything like that. And like I said, I worked a lot with the spacing and everything, so I think everything meshes quite well with it all. And then obviously the sign up button will bring you back to the home page as well. And I do believe that's all of the pages there for it all, and that's my breakdown for this week. All right, thanks.